This video will show you how to use the different technologies in our CVIPTZ-EL2IRL25X-D2. By default, the camera comes in CVI mode, and in this video we'll show you how to use the other technologies such as TVI and AHD. So we're currently on a Sibell recorder, and we'll show you that by default you will not have PTZ controls. For this, you'll have to use the RS-45 control wires and then use Pelco D and then the default settings with a 9600 baud rate and the address of 1. So for that, you want to go to the PTZ settings and then protocol, and by default it's set to control over coaxial, COC. So we'll just go ahead and change that to Pelco D, and then the default baud rate for the camera is 9600 and the address is 1. So we'll go ahead and apply and then X out of that, and then we'll show you that we now have PTZ control. And again, we're using the RS-45 A and B control wires in this portion. Okay, so now we have control, and then we'll show you how to access the on-screen display. I'll just go ahead and delete that, and then we'll add preset 95 in here again. So you'll go under preset and then go to add, and then change 1 to 95, and then we'll just name that OSD. Okay, now we have that saved. We'll go ahead and click on call, and this brings up our on-screen display. Okay, so now we're going to hit plus iris, which will be your enter on system. And then we'll go down to video output. It's currently on CVI. So we'll just use the directional pad there, and then we'll scroll through the different technologies. So we have TVI, AHD, standard definition. So we'll put this one on TVI, then hit plus iris for enter. And now we have a color image. So now we'll just go ahead and scroll down and exit out of this menu. And then we'll show you how to use the coaxial controls instead of serial Pelco D. Okay, so as you can see, we can still control it, but at this point we're still using the serial Pelco D using the RS-45. So we'll go back to the settings, and then we'll go to PTZ, and then we'll go to protocol, and then we'll put it back on the default COC, control over coaxial. So once you've made these changes and you're using coaxial RG59 cable, you'll be able to use the PTZ controls, and you'll no longer need the RS-45 control wires. Alright, and that's how you change the technologies and use RS-45 and COC on this camera. Thank you for watching.